Thutha wa President Kenyatta kumushagura ta murugamiriri munene wa komiconi ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC, umuthi Twalib Abdalla egwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya watho na ihoto mbunge-ini ya bururi agitariria iguru rigie muturire wake ona uria kuhota gukinyaniria cioneki cia ruhonge ruru.
You all know, you understand, in accordance with
Ari no shamba munene Twalib atariria maundu matiganite maria arona nimo maracokia na thutha ruhonge ruru no ho aheana ihonia iria arona ingikinyanirio ungumania no uthire.
Corruption is not like an infectious disease where you are given antibiotic and told 5 days hii infection itakuwa imepotea. Corruption will be solved by other auxiliary issues.
Mashira maige maria mabete kurugamia ruhonge-ini ruru hatari na itumi ndiganu matumite ona muingi wage mwihoko na ruhonge ruru. Undu uria aroiga no ucenjie angikorwo muingi no wone maciaro ma makinya maria marakinyukio.
Majority of those cases are what you call low impact corruption cases. We may need, just like the FBI, the Serious Fraud Office, to have a set threshold of which cases will be undertaken by the anti-corruption body.
Ciegi maundu make kiumbe ota mundu oro wothe ndanaga kaundu angiuga no gacokie ngoro yake thi.
What can break you, and do you have any weaknesses?
One of the biggest weaknesses I have is because I joined the military at a very young age. Sometimes I'm too military. I have that grip, and even my children will go up to the bedroom and say, Mama, imze amanza mambo ya jeshi hapa.
Na haha ciegi nyina ciatuma aremwo ni kuhingiriria maithori make akigeria gutariria itemia na nyita muturire-ini wake.
Had she gone to school?
No.
And she taught you some of these things?
On the issue of my mother, I sympathize with her. It's an interesting history.
Okay, you can move to the other issue.
Muthenya wa keri kiumia twerekeire nirio kamiti ino igakorwo igitwara riboti yayo giikaro-ini kia mwanya mbunge-ini ya bururi na niguo yariririo kuria magakorwo magitua itua ria kumwitikira kana kumurega. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.